Hey, so today we're going to make overnight oats. So today I'm going to teach you how to make this really easy, quick, simple, 3-ingredient, no bake, no cooking required breakfast. And this is how you do it. First, you take a bowl, fill it up with 1/3 cups of oats, dried oats. Put the same amount of milk as well. For mine, I used unsweetened soya milk, but you can use whatever milk you have. On top of that, just add whatever fruit you want. For mine, I added a banana. You can stop here if you want, but you can sprinkle a little bit of granola on top. Pop this in the fridge overnight, and you already have a breakfast for tomorrow. I just took out the overnight oats out of the fridge, and now we're going to taste it. Charan! It's so cute. It's so good. I'll finish this all now. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it and subscribe for more content. That is it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!